Wow. Wow, indeed. What a takeoff, demonstrating a huge... extremely versatile aeroplane, as has been demonstrated operationally by the... This aircraft is actually equivalent to its tactical capability. Just a 60-degree bank turn there, which is just a flavour of what's to come with its 120-degree overbank turn we'll see in a couple of minutes' time. The A400M was first delivered to the French Air Force. RAF Atlases, one of which we'll see in the flypast later on, have been succeeding the hard-worked fleet of Hercules. Here we see the aircraft coming down with undercarriage down, the dirty configuration therefore. And another quite steep pitch up. And a good deal of this manoeuvring would have tactical relevance. This isn't just a nice display, it also shows something of what the aeroplane is capable of. The missiles, small arms, and so forth. Now, to high speed. There's the pull-up, and hopefully the cloud base will permit the full 120-degree wing over at the top. And there it goes. Wow. One RAF Atlas is now permanently deployed to the Middle East in support of forces there, having taken over from the Hercules. They've operated often into Ascension Island as part of support to British forces in the South Atlantic. And it was last September that the aircraft made its operational debut with the RAF in the humanitarian airlift role in what was called Operation Rumen, the hurricane relief effort in the Caribbean. And that was a great demonstration of teamwork with the Atlas, two of them involved alongside Hercules, C-17s and Puma helicopters. After a typically exciting demonstration from Airbus Defence and Space of the Airbus A400M.